Make just a real quick video on the enamel pins that I made. So this is just going to be real quick on basically what I was doing. So if you can see here, I went to 2 different manufacturers for each of the pins to see which quality I like better. Both of them are Chinese manufacturers. And I asked for hard enamel on both of them, but with this one on the right, I got soft enamel instead. But with that manufacturer, I was allowed more colors and a cheaper cost because soft enamel is cheaper. There's just a miscommunication with the language barrier there. And with this one, I tried out glitter enamel too, and it turned out really nice. I think it worked really well for the piece. And then the other one for the cat ice cream cone, it's hard enamel. It's 1.25 inches instead of this one, which is 1.5 inches, just because of how narrow it is, the ratio of the height to width. I had to go bigger in order for it to feel as big as this one. And then in terms of backing, one of them comes with a metal backer and the other one comes with rubber backing. And this manufacturer puts their embossed stamp on it, which kind of detracts from it if you're making your own pieces as an artist, whereas the other one didn't have any embossing from the manufacturer. And so how I created these is just using Adobe Illustrator and creating a vector artwork, and then I sent it over to the manufacturer, and then they create a cast a die out of it, and then they can make your pins. So initially there's typically a mold fee for the startup cost of creating the mold, but then if you keep on going back to your manufacturer, then the cost will be cheaper because they don't have to remake the mold every time. So I got the pins in the mail in a pack of 100, and they come in tiny little cellophane bags. And then I popped them out, and I went to Vistaprint for my backing paper because I didn't want to have to print out all of these cards by myself, and a business card size was very suitable in relation to the size of the pins and makes shipping a lot easier. But I went through Vistaprint. You can get, I think this is a pack of, I got 2 boxes. Overall, it's 500 total. And they typically have a code to where you can get 500 for 10 bucks for the standard business card size. So for something that people are just gonna throw away, it's a really good deal, and I think it was worth it. So here's the backing card for the cat ice cream one, and I put in the design for this one when I was designing this. I designed this through a site called Canva. It's how I make all of my YouTube thumbnails for my videos, and you can also design YouTube banners, Instagram photos, and business cards, and pretty much anything to help you if you have your own business, you're a YouTuber, you're on social media a lot. Basically anything and everything, they have something for you. But within the artwork, I don't know if you can tell, I have a tiny little square that I put there so that I can tell where I can punch the center of the artwork so that I get the pin in the place I want it every single time. And then it just shows my Etsy store name, and then enjoy this sweet treat at the bottom, which I think is really cute. I think this backing card turned out really good. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how these turned out and the quality of backing the business cards from the Vistaprint. For what they are and for what they're going to be used for, they're beautiful. And then my other one just says Space Bunnies for Life, enamel pin. I did this one more glossy, than this one. This one has more of a matte finish than this one, so you can see how it shines more. And with this one, I did the same thing, went through the Canva app. It's all free, and then I downloaded the design and I imported it into Vistaprint's little design studio helper, and then I got these made too, and they came really quick, so I really enjoyed that. And for the price, I think, yeah, it turned out great. I couldn't be more happy with them. So let me just put the backing card back in the box. And so here's the final result here, pretty much, with the pin punched through the back, and it holds on there pretty well. And yeah, I'll have both of these designed on my Etsy page right now. They'll add to the stickers I have up there. So if you want to support me, feel free to check it out, or just if you have any ideas on videos you'd like to see from here on out, just let me know. But this is the first real big investment I've kind of made in my art, because it ain't cheap making sending these to the manufacturer and getting the die made. So it's a big overhead cost, but I'm really proud of myself. It sounds kind of egotistical to say that, but I'm really proud of how they turned out, and I'm really thankful to the manufacturing companies for their hard work. And yeah, if you want to check out my Etsy page, feel free to. It'll be in the description box below. But I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on and how they turned out. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today. It means a lot to me, and if there's anything at all I can help you with in regards to art, just leave any questions or comments below, and I'd be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you guys. Bye.